In this video, we will learn how to create a table in MS Word using three methods. Our first method, type plus and then type minus from the keyboard. Here, this minus are column. Press the enter key from the keyboard. You can add row and column by pressing the tab key. Second method, click on the insert menu. Click on the table. Click on insert table. Type the number of the column and type the number of row. Click on the OK button. Method 3. Click on the insert menu. Click on the table. Select the number of column and row. Thanks for watching the video.